So what we have here is a box of British military Arctic rations, also known as cold climate rations. Once opened, you'll find an A4 piece of paper with an idiot's guide of the breakdown of the menus. You can see here, menu 1 all the way to menu 8. They come in plastic bags. Once upon a time they were cardboard boxes. I guess it's evolved to what we have now. I'm going to get out menu 3, open it up, put it on the table and show you what's inside. So you can tell it's plain, there's nothing really written on it besides a good old small print. You got the breakdown here as in menu 3 and of course the packing date. You got freeze-dried chicken korma with rice, a pack of oatmeal, a packet of chocolate OT dessert. You got here 3 packs of energy drink powder, a cinnamon cake, what I call as a pound cake, but hey, those that know good old faithful cheddar cheese spread. 3 packs of gum, a pack of puree tabs, pork and beef patty, yum, pack of plain chocolate, a caramel cereal bar, some cheese and oat biscuits, a pack of cola bottles, and a Gucci looking pack of dry roasted nuts. Every ration will come with a drinks bag. I'll take it out individually in a second and show you once it's laid out, but there's a lot of stuff that comes in here. So these are the contents of the drinks bag. It comes with 1 spork, a pack of hot chocolate, 6 sachets of sugar, 3 sachets of coffee, good old trusty toilet paper, 3 packs of tea, 6 sachets of creamer, 2 packs of alcohol wipes, and a pack of stormproof matches. One thing I'll just show that is a bit different than the norm. In the 3-in-1 tea, it's actually just powder, so it doesn't really come with a tea bag. So that might be something a bit different that those who might have seen or might not have before. And the wet wipe, alcohol wipes, to be honest, are pretty goddamn good, because what I like about it, they're big enough that you can actually use them. What I mean by that is, normally you get wet wipes which are really small, tiny, completely useless. These ones I find a good size and actually gets the job done, which is nice. So I'm going to open up a couple of the packs now. I'm only going to open what I'm going to eat, and in my honest opinion, they don't actually taste that bad. Maybe it's just I'm kind of immune to the stuff by now, you know, over 2 decades of being in the military. But you know, I can tell you now, we have definitely progressed in the right direction as the taste of rations as they used to be. These aren't too bad. So to start off with, what I like about these, it's easy to open. So if you got, you know, your fingers damaged like I do, actually anybody in cold climates will have their fingers cracking open eventually. But what I like about these is it's nice and easy, and even if you've got big sort of encumbersome gloves, it's just easy to open up. And as you do, just open the base. And what you find inside, you'll have like a little oxygen sachet. I think it's called an oxygen scavenger or something. And basically one of those. Take that out before you put the water in. And inside, I don't know if you guys can see that, it has a series of lines, right? So these lines here are alphabetical. What it says is fill up to B and let it sit once you pour the hot water in for about 5 to 8 minutes. And there we go. I think that should do it. There we go. What I do, it's resealable. I just leave the spork in there and seal it back up again. And I'll let that sit right there. So what I'm going to open next is the beef patty. Yum. It's actually not too bad. But what I do, I put a good old cheese. You know, and as so. Yeah, it's not too bad. A bit dry, but hey, does the job. Good old peanuts. Guess what? Looks just like peanuts. And I feel like a pig here, just opening stuff for the sake of it. But the cake. These remind me of the old American rations because they have the old pound cakes inside. There you go. Standard cinnamon cake. And that's all I'm going to open. You know, like I said, there's no point opening of any more. There's a lot. It comes with a lot of stuff, and all it's going to do is create waste. So, military rations, British military Arctic rations. Comes with a lot of stuff, gets the job done, and doesn't taste too bad. So hopefully this gives you guys an insight to what the British carry.